This is our Pro L1000 series of 3 LCD laser projectors. They come from 9,000 to 15,000 lumens and WXGA with 4K enhancement. We're showing it here connected to our popular ultra short throw 0.35 lens, and we now have it available in white as well, of course, as black. And with this lens attached, you can really do some very interesting and amazing things. What we're showcasing in this station is hanging the same projector upside down from the ceiling, and you can have just the lens, for example, peeking out and projecting to create this really large image, and you can get really close without any shadow. So it really creates an amazing experiential installation. You could do a lot of really interesting things with, all brought together with the quality of Epson 3 LCD laser, and then the really amazing engineering of this ultra short throw lens design.